Hi to all, this is Chandrasekhar Panda. Welcome to you to my channel Pharmaceutical Updates. Today we will discuss about the annual product quality review APQR which are performed in the pharmaceutical products. And in this topic we will discuss about what is annual product quality review, when APQR shall be prepared, APQR reference guidelines, and what are the contents of annual product quality review APQR, etc. So let's start. Annual product quality review is a regular periodic quality reviews of all licensed commercial medicinal products which are conducted with the object of verifying the consistency of the existing process parameters, the rightness of current specification for both starting material and finished product, to highlight any trend, deviation, change control, market complaint, and to identify the product and the process improvement. Okay, that means APQR shall be prepared for all the commercial products in order to know the consistency of the existing process. When APQR shall be prepared, annual product quality review APQR of the drug product shall be prepared for the calendar year period from January to December. APQR shall be prepared for the batches which are manufactured for the commercial purpose. APQR shall be prepared irrespective of the number of batches manufactured during the year. What are the references guidelines for APQR? EU GMP Part 1, Chapter 1 and 21 CFR Part 210 211, Subpart J, Records and Reports, 211.180 E, ICSQ 7 and PICS, etc. are the reference guidelines to prepare the APQR. What are the contents of the APQR but not limited to? Product name, generics name, strength, market, label claim, storage condition, shelf life, primary and complete packing configuration, product batch number, batch size in kg and units, manufacturing date and expiry date, etc. Data of active pharmaceutical ingredients, API, excipient, primary, secondary packing material used, review of equipment and utilities like compressed air, gases and HVAC systems, qualifications, etc. Quality of water used in the process shall be reviewed and data shall be compiled for pH, conductivity, TOC and microbial limit test, etc. Review of batch manufacturing record and batch packing record, which includes the following process parameters, for example, loss on drying, during drying, weight variation, hardness, friability, disintegration test, and weight gain in coating, aluminum, critical process parameter CPP and critical quality attribute CQA, manufacturing and packing yield, review of release testing data which include in-process control checks and finished product analytical release testing data along with the trend and graph, review of stability study of commercial batches and review of stability trend and any out of specification or out of trend, etc. Review of specification for raw material and packing material and drug products. Then the review of the product and process related validation activities, review of change controls, deviations and their status, like how much open and how much close, status of corrective and preventive action CAPA related to the process and for the drug products, review of out of specification OS and out of trend OOT results if any. Review of product complaints, that number of complaints received and open and close status, etc. Any product recall or field alert, etc. the review of the return finished goods, review of elemental impurities, review of previous annual product quality review if any. Conclusions shall contain the observations and the findings which are obtained during review of APQR. The data of in-process parameters obtained from manufacturing and packing, analytical parameters of blend, filled capsule, compressed tablet, coated tablets, finished product, raw material and packing material and stability data shall be calculated for minimum and maximum, average and CPK value. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe my channel to get more updates.